All right, let's get a check outside now. Clouds have been lingering over Columbus all day. Looking pretty gloomy out there, but Ross Caruso tells us the sun shall return tomorrow.
Yeah, it's been a Monday out there.
I know, very Monday, and we did see a little bit of rain this morning, so hopefully that wasn't too much of a damper for your start of the week. But it has helped to keep things pretty cool, and, you know, it's starting to feel and look a little bit more like fall out there. Not completely seeing all the leaves change, but, you know, that'll be something that we'll see more patchiness in the colors into the trees as we head further into the month of October. But we are going to continue to talk about some lingering drizzle in store for the night and a bit of warmer weather along with some more sunshine as we head into your Tuesday. That, of course, will be short-lived as we're talking about the umbrella being needed. We'll see more clouds than sun yet again Wednesday into Thursday for us. But despite looking at overcast skies overlooking Licking County, we are looking at some relatively dry conditions out there. And again, some very spotty light drizzle that's been found across parts of central Ohio. And we're going to continue to see temperatures, for the most part, hang out into the upper 60s. Our highs for the day, some places not even into the 70s for us. So right now it is 67 in Lancaster, 69 in Circleville, 68 in London, and 67 up towards Marysville. You can also start to notice that a lot of this heavy cloud coverage where we're seeing more of that rain being picked up on radar is pushing towards the east, clearing up just in time for the not the Buckeyes game, but the Bengals game later tonight. We are going to be looking at some pretty pleasant weather down in Cincinnati as the Bengals take on the Rams. So looks like the weather will be fantastic for that and starting to clear up in spots as far as where we're looking at some of this light rain in southeastern Ohio over towards New Lexington, McConnellsville, in towards Perry, Morgan County, even down towards Athens. You are seeing some heavy rain in some spots, but for the most part, this will be improving as the evening goes on. For the rest of central Ohio, we're still going to be looking at a little bit of drizzle as we head into the early part of the night, so it might be good to just have the umbrella handy if you need it. But for the most part, it's looking like this will be pretty light and things will be drying out nicely as we turn to tonight. Temperatures aren't going to be changing a ton, but we could see some breaks that will allow those temperatures falling into the mid-50s in spots. But for the most part, we'll likely be setting things up similar feel to what we had for us this morning. But it doesn't look like you're going to be, you know, really needing the umbrella, but keep it handy. At least just throw it in the back of the car, because you will as we head into Wednesday. But maybe even the sunglasses might be needed as we head into your Tuesday afternoon, because I am anticipating some more sunshine. So seeing more sun for the evening commute tomorrow. And as a result of more sunshine, it will be warmer. Highs right around 76 degrees for us, but certainly needing that umbrella as we head into your Wednesday and even into Thursday as well. So looking ahead, where you're seeing the green, that's showing the potential for some rain. In nature, it's going to be pretty scattered. It's not going to be just a wall of heavy rain across the entirety of the state. We're going to see rounds of rain, not only just through the morning hours, but watch as we head into the afternoon. Models have been hinting we could see a little bit of sunshine poke through at times before more heavy cloud coverage comes by into the afternoon and evening. Going into the evening commute, more than likely, this will be the time where we'll see some heavier rain, perhaps even a few rumbles of thunder turning into the early part of the night for us. Then going into Thursday, seeing a bit more of that rain start things off for us as we head towards the second half of the week. Definitely need the rain, but it might cause for some delays or some slowdowns out on the roadways for your Thursday morning commute as well. But then drying out later into the day on Thursday, temperatures responding nicely as we head into the weekend and gearing up for what will be these are several consecutive weekends in a row where we're going to be looking at some pretty nice weather and unseasonably warm. How about that? Highs back near 80 degrees by next Monday.